Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Teachable, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up for a free Teachable trial? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sign up for a Teachable free trial anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling courses, you know that Teachable is a popular way to do that, and from time to time, they do run free trial offers. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here on their website, teachable.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already pulled up their website, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to sign up for a course creation Teachable free trial, you're going to click on one of these buttons, start for free. Okay, next Teachable is going to bring you to the pricing plan. So you do have a free trial, but after the free trial, it's automatically going to start billing. So go ahead and scroll through and see which one of these plans applies to you. The difference between these plans basically is the transaction fee. So if you have the basic, you're going to get charged 5%. On the Pro, it's 0% on the Teachable side. Same thing with Pro Plus. Also, you have limited published products. So this one's 5, this one's 50, and this one's 200, amongst these other benefits. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and sign up for the Pro Plus. Okay, next, in order to sign up for a Teachable free trial, you want to enter in your full name, email address, create a password, confirm your password, and then agree to the terms of service. So I'm going to do that off screen. Okay, I went ahead and entered the required information. I'm going to click here, create account. Okay, next Teachable is going to bring you to their credit card page. So basically you have to choose between monthly or annual. So if you choose annual, you're going to end up getting a little bit of a discount. So you can see it's normally $249, but with the annual, it's $199. So you're not going to get charged anything until after the free trial. They let you know that right over here. So be aware that it's a free trial up until the certain day. And then after that, it's automatically going to bill your credit card. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my credit card information in off screen. Okay, I entered in the required credit card information. I'm going to click here, start your trial. Okay, next, in order to set up your Teachable free trial, they're going to ask you a few questions about your account. So do you currently run an online business? So do yes. What is your primary motivation for Teachable? Selling courses. How big is the organization? I primarily identify as a content creator. Are you already teaching or offering content online? How big is your current audience? How much do you plan on making? How much content training material do you have already? And how much time can you spend on your Teachable courses? Okay, so once you've answered that, go ahead and click on next. Okay, then they're going to go ahead and prompt you to go ahead and create your first product. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to click here and then click on continue. Okay, a quick second later, it refreshes into my Teachable dashboard. So now I can go ahead and start setting up my courses and coaching inside of Teachable during my 7-day free trial. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up for a Teachable free trial, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.